commonly criticized provisions of the National Electrical Code include arc fault circuit interrupters, ground fault circuit interrupters, overcurrent protection devices, wire sizing, lighting control, ventilation for equipment, electrical safety for outdoor installations, temporary installations, and code interpretations. Firstly, arc fault circuit interrupters or AFCIs can be overly sensitive, tripping in response to harmless arcs, such as from vacuum cleaners or power tools, which can lead to unnecessary outages and inconvenience. Secondly, ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs can trip due to moisture or ground fault paths in the equipment, even when there is no electrical hazard. This may result in the interruption of power to essential appliances or tools, such as medical equipment or submersible pumps. Thirdly, overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers or fuses, can be inadequate to protect against overloads or short circuits due to changes in electrical load or faulty wiring, leading to electrical fires, equipment damage, or personal injury. Fourthly, the National Electrical Code recommendations for wire sizing may not be sufficient in all cases, especially for long runs or circuits with high current draw. This may cause voltage drop, overheating, and potential fire hazards. Fifthly, National Electrical Code requirements for lighting control, such as occupancy sensors or daylight harvesting, can be ignored or not implemented effectively. The potential impact may be wasted energy, reduced occupant comfort, and potential safety concerns. Sixthly, National Electrical Code guidelines for ventilation of electrical equipment, such as transformers or enclosures, may not be adequate to prevent overheating, which can lead to reduced equipment life, fire hazards, or electrical failures. Seventhly, National Electrical Code requirements for outdoor installations, such as ground fault circuit interrupter protection and moisture-resistant enclosures, may not always be followed. The potential impact may be electrical shock hazards, equipment damage, or personal injury. Eighthly, National Electrical Code regulations for temporary installations, such as construction sites or events, may be overlooked or not enforced. The potential impact may be an increased risk of electrical fires, shock hazards, or injuries due to improper wiring, grounding, or equipment use. Ninthly, local jurisdictions may interpret National Electrical Code requirements differently, leading to confusion and inconsistency in code compliance. Variation in code enforcement, potential legal disputes, or safety concerns may result.